Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2013 model Honda Odyssey, 3.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45k kilometers mileage with records, first owner, well-maintained, captain seats, panoramic sunroof, traction control, SRS airbag, reverse sensor and camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 688,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 242,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2021 model Ford Ecosport Trend, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 21k kilometers mileage with records, first owner, well-maintained, touchscreen display, steering controls, side visor, airbag, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 618,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 138,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. / 2016 model Kia Sportage LX, 2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 68k kilometers mileage, well-maintained, touchscreen radio, central locking system, all-power, all-stop, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 588,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 130,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2018 model Hyundai Tucson GLS, 2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 99k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, full CASA record since day 1, dual aircon, SRS airbag, reverse camera, touchscreen head unit, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 658,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 152,606 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Honda CR-V S, 1.6-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 34k kilometers mileage, first owned, with CASA records, plate ending 3, infotainment display, leather seats, parking brake, reverse camera, with spare key, manual at booklet, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 968,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 229,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2015 model Chevrolet Trailblazer, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 86k kilometers mileage with records, first owner, CASA maintained, airbag, central locking system, all stock, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 598,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 131,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.